I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments not processing on KeyBank, follow these steps to get things back on track. Step 1. Check your account balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account. Sometimes payments fail simply because of insufficient balance. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment information you entered, including the account number and routing number. A small typo can lead to a failed transaction. Step 3. Review payment limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If you were using online banking, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated data can cause issues with processing payments. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to KeyBank's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your account issues. I hope these steps help you resolve your payment issues quickly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.